Welcome to Ocampo Kitchen. I'm Buh.
I'm Buh. I'm Buh.
And I'm Debs.
Buh and Debs. And I'm Debs.
Kami po ay mga ordinaryong mommies na mahilig magluto ng mga extraordinaryong pagkain.
Subscribe na po kayo sa aming channel para makuha nyo ang mga recipes na masasarap with the Filipino classic recipes with the Kapampangan Twist.
At mga tips and tricks para ma-upgrade ang inyong home cooking.
Like, comment, subscribe, share, tell your friends, your family. It's delicious and it's good.
Everything is so delicious. Ocampo's Kitchen is number one.
Like, share, subscribe at Ocampo Kitchen.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe.
At Ocampo's Kitchen.
Like, share, subscribe at Ocampo's Kitchen.
Like, share, subscribe at Ocampo's Kitchen.
Yeah, don't forget to like, share,
Subscribe.
And hit the bell button down below.
For more exclusive dishes here at
Ocampo's Kitchen. Lumarachana!
So, ano pa po ang inihintay ninyo? Subscribe na sa aming YouTube channel and follow us on our Facebook page para updated kayo.
See you there!